It won't be wrong if we call Italy as the food capital of the world. It has given some delectable cheeses, delicious pasta, and pizzas to the world. So, today we will be discussing some famous ingredients of Italy.
Olive oil. An integral part of Italian cooking, olive oil is produced in large quantities in Italy. Olive oil, which has acidity level less than 1%, is graded as extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil that has an acidity level between 1 to 2% is graded under the category of virgin olive oil. Olive oil obtained after chemical treatments or blending with other oils to neutralize the acidity are referred as pure olive oil. Oil that is obtained after the olive oil is extracted from olives by mixing a chemical, enabling further extraction from the leftover paste, is called pomace oil. Extra virgin and virgin olive oil are perfect for raw consumption by drizzling it over salads. Due to high smoking point, pomace oil is an ideal deep frying partner. Olive oils are sensitive to sunlight, therefore packed in dark colored bottles. Risotto. Italian variety of rice, popular in the northern regions of Italy. With reference to their grain size, they are categorized as ordinario, semifino, fino, and superfino. There are three premium varieties of risotto arborio typically used to make risotto, whereas Viola Nano is a firmer variety. Hybrid of Italian and Japanese variety is known as Scarnaroli. Couscous. Processed from the hard part of durum wheat, Moroccan ingredient popular in Sicily. It is prepared by mixing it with vegetables or meat and cooking it in water until dry. Sometimes seafood is also added. Instant couscous is the newer westernized version which just need to be rehydrated in hot water. Polenta, grounded corn or maize. Technically, polenta is a dish that is made from cornmeal. It can be consumed like a porridge or left to be set in a dish which is further pan-seared or grilled and served. It is one of the ancient Italian dishes which was even prepared during the Roman era. Majorly consumed in central and northern parts of Italy. Durum wheat. Popularly known as hard wheat. It is grounded into fine granules like semolina. Due to its high gluten content, it is ideal for making pastas. Durum flour is also milled, which is used for making breads such as ciabatta. Balsamic vinegar. Made from white Trebbiano grapes. This Italian ingredient is a native of Emilia-Romagna region. Cooked grape juice is added for 10 to 12 years. It has deep brownish red color and a pungent sweet taste. It can be served as a condiment or drizzled over salads, or can be used to prepare reductions or salad dressing. Salami and sausages. Salami Milano. Grounded pork and beef with bacon is air dried and matured for up to 10 years. Cotticino. Seasoned meat from the head and neck of pork, which is cooked for 4 hours. Bologna. Sausages made from finely grounded meat which resemble mortadella. Bresaola. Air-dried salted beef sausages aged for almost 2 to 3 months. Baccala. Codfish preserved by salting and drying.
Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.